So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the editor type mode or the editor type window over the workspace of your Blender. So you can do this process. You may have been facing the issues of facing the issues while changing the workspace. So I'm going to tell you very easy method, and so you can work conveniently over the Blender. Now first let me open Blender on my Windows PC. Now this is the home page of my Blender. This is my currently 3D view of my workspace. So I can easily change this editor wind type. All I need to do to just simply on most left window, you're gonna find this option over there. You can see the icon, can't pronounce it, it doesn't have any name. It is just editor type mode. When you click there, you're gonna find a lot of options here. In the general, you can find 3D viewport, image editor, UV editor, and the animation perspective also. You can find a lot of options in the scripting purpose as well. And if you want some written data format, you can do this from here as well. So you can switch to any data type you want to edit your content, or you want to produce the 3D modeling. For example, if you want to open the Python console, this is the console of which where you can write the codes. Or if you want to change it as well, for example, if you want to change it as animation editor, this is the animation of a graph that you can edit easily. So by this method you can easily change the editor type mode over the workspace of Blender, and you can easily go through your editing process. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.